move your hand. Yeah, can you see me in the picture? Can you see me?
Why don't push the trash can?
Don't push the and don't push the red button either. Don't push the red button. Okay, look at me. Can you see me?
Jeez.
Stand back a little bit. Stand back. Okay.
Hello.
Right. Are you ready? Are you ready to see the big fish?
Yeah. Get him out. Alright.
Me with the picture. Can you see me?
Yep.
You got it? No, put your hand down. Can you see me? Can you see me? Okay, you ready? Okay, don't press the button. Okay, I'm gonna put it down. Ready? Okay, turn the button off. Turn the button off and you can touch it. And put that over there in the grass. The camera in the grass. Okay. Okay, you wanna touch it?